Welcome the our channel. Today we how to enable account alerts in Bank of America. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Bank of America website. Log into your online banking account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the Account tab in the main navigation menu. Click on the Account tab to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Alerts from the drop-down options. You will be directed to the Alerts Settings page. Here, you will see different types of alerts available for your accounts. Choose the alert type you want to enable, such as balance notifications or transaction alerts. Click on the relevant alert type to access its settings. Next, you will see an option to turn the alert on or off. Switch the toggle to on to enable the alert. Depending on the alert type, you may have additional settings to configure. Follow the prompts to customize the alert frequency and delivery method. Choose whether you want to receive alerts via text, email, or both. After configuring your settings, review the information to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, click the Save button to apply your changes. Your account alerts are now enabled. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the setup was successful. If you have multiple accounts, repeat these steps for each account to set up alerts as desired. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.